Yeah, hello friends. This side Anish here. Today I am going to tell you that which smartphone can be good for you. Okay. So, let me to check top 10 smartphone under 15,000, 10,000. Okay, I'm going for the 10,000. So basically, people just preferring under the 10,000 or to the 15,000. If you click in any buttons, I'm no, any clicks. Sorry, my net is a little bit slow. So I'm telling about that there are so many phones and miss either it's existed or it is coming. So you are just confused that which smartphone should take or not. But the things I want to tell you that you should think about yourself that for which purpose that do you want the smartphones? For the gaming purpose, for the office purpose, for the normal use, for what kind of that you want to use? So if you want to if you want for the normal use, so you just need to know miss all the things normal. No, but if you are the heavy user, miss if you are the miss you like the play games, so the battery backup should be the good, the processor should be so good. So that's the things is good, right? So in the first segments, you can see the Micromax Eureka, and the Micromax Eureka is not good for the gamers who likes the game. Basically, battery is not so good. You can see it's not. It will go only to 2 to 3 hours if you are using a heavy games, right? If you are playing a heavy games, Asus Gen phone is also good. So you can see so many phones. So many phones are good. I'm not here to show you which phone is good or which phone is bad. I'm just telling you that you should think and you should analyze yourself that which phone means what kind of purpose that you are using. If you want to use if you are a photographer and you like to good camera, so you should go with that phone which have the good camera, not no, compared to the other aspects of that phone, right? So it is the best things basically I want to tell you. Okay. And the um, for the normal use of the processor good, in the recent area the 2 GB RAM is coming for the in all mobiles basically, right? The miss if you are a heavy miss if you are a gamer, okay, if you like to play games, the processor should be the octa core 2 GB RAM, and you can see the Snapdragon something as like. So you can see so many options, so many websites that they have the compare all the things, but you should go with that phones which really fit with your after your license that yeah I'm using this I'm the cameraman, I am the gamer, I am the normal user, or I am the other things, right? So I will suggest you to analyze your first, and then after compare with the data specifications and bad data phones. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my videos. Basically, it is going to upload so many videos and in the different segments. So keep subscribing and keep liking. Thank you for the time.